Hey guys, Eric Collier, publisher, Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Catawba Island Club Boat Show right here in beautiful Catawba Island, Ohio. I'm having a blast, you guys. This is one of the best shows that I can think of. Plus, it's been 15 months in the making to have a boat show here in the Great Lakes, and we're here, we're doing it. It's all happening right now. So while I'm here, I'm wandering around and I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on. And if I found a doozy, I'm here with Cliff Leasure. Cliff, how are you, my man?
Fine.
Good.
Glad to be here. Glad to be here.
This product, Easy Guide Floats, is from your company, which is called
Centerline Products.
Centerline Products. Now, we'll show some video. You can see it on here. This is an amazing invention. Did you invent this?
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Well, let me back up. I probably didn't invent this. This has been done before, just no one's ever done anything with it. According to my friend, retired VP of Mercury Marine Outboard.
Okay.
He's the one that pushed me to patent this product and then get it on the market.
And this is currently patented. This
is patented and it's a registered trademark. We received our patent and our registered trademark on the same day.
So tell us, what is the product?
The product is a guide system to allow you to load your boat onto your trailer by yourself. This float right here, when you back into the water, this float will stay at the surface of the water all the way up to over 3 feet in height. When you pull your vessel or your watercraft between the floats, it holds the stern of the vessel centered with your trailer. You latch the front. As you pull out, the trailer comes up, the float comes down, your boat comes down, the boat sits on the trailer, and then these travel down and rest on the frame and do not rub the boat while you're going down the road. It now allows a person to load the boat centered on his trailer by himself, because this is not a generic fit. This system right here, when you bolt it to your trailer frame, put the arm together, hold the float against the chine of the boat, pick the arm up, put the pin in it, set it down. It now fits your boat, not everyone's. It fits your boat, and it holds it centered onto the trailer.
Cliff, I got to ask you this because, you know, I'm always the devil's advocate, right?
Yep.
Now, I'm going down the road at 60 miles an hour. What's to keep this thing in place so it doesn't fly off the back of the trailer?
I've had these on my trailer for over a year. We travel a lot to fish. We live in northwest Indiana. We fish northern Minnesota 4 to 5 times a year. We fish Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin, a few times a year. We go down to Kentucky Lake. We've come over here to Lake Erie. And I don't do anything with these things. They sit just like you see them. They don't move.
So no matter where I'm traveling to, and you guys have done some extensive traveling with these to test them out, they're not going to come up and fly off the trailer. So this thing really, I mean, to me it's amazing because I have a jet ski.
Yep.
And I can't tell you how many times I've tried to put the jet ski on the trailer sideways. It just doesn't work. So I want to be able to go in as smooth as I can. You know, jet skis are, you know, pumping the jets and all that kind of stuff. But this will allow me to go smoothly right up the center line.
The jet ski that we use with this system, you'll see right here, is over 900 pounds. I'm 260 on a good day. I've come in at 45 degrees and hit these floats under power, and it will push the machine back and then let me get centered back up and go between my floats.
So what are the chances of these arms breaking if you do come in sideways?
These are virtually indestructible.
Really?
Virtually indestructible. You can take this and you can if this was bolted, yep, you can see that there's a lot of flex.
Yeah.
These are virtually unbreakable.
I love it. I love it. And these, what if I get a hole in this? Is it still going to float?
If you puncture this with your propeller,
yeah,
it's not going to sink. It's chambered.
Oh, okay.
With a hole, it's not going to float as well,
right,
but it will float.
It'll still float.
The beautiful thing about this is it's always at the surface of the water, and it fits your vessel, whether it be a boat, right, or a personal watercraft.
How long does it take to install one of these things? Because what you walked me through earlier was under a minute.
Actually, when you take these things out of a box,
yep,
you have to use a sealant to put the float together. That'll take you 15 minutes.
Okay.
To bolt this system to your trailer will take you 15 minutes, and it will take you a couple of minutes to put the pin in it.
So
about
under an
30
hour.
about 30 minutes.
Okay.
About 30 minutes you can install this.
Love it, love it, love it. Now, I noticed that these are sections. So can I go from 3 feet to 6 feet, or do I just have to keep it at 3 feet?
No, it stays at this length.
Okay.
If you get your trailer, if this section of your trailer, this bolt right here would really represent the axle on your trailer.
Right.
If you have your axle more than 3 feet underwater,
Yeah.
you're at a pretty bad dock.
A bad ramp.
You're at a pretty bad ramp.
Okay. Got it. So I just want to walk through every scenario. So if we're not able to make it down to the Catawba Island Club Boat Show, where am I going to go online to see this product in action and be able to get in touch with you guys to buy the product?
You can go to www.easyguidefloats.com.
How much does it cost?
$2.99 is the retail price of these, and this weekend we're having a show special. They're $75 off.
Whoa.
And that includes free shipping
Really?
throughout the United States.
That is fantastic. Okay, so the website again is what?
www.easyguidefloats.com.
I got enough information to be dangerous.
Right here you go.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
Fantastic product. Thanks for bringing this up. My kids are going to love this as well. I mean, I can't even tell you. It's not exactly a pleasant situation when we're trying to get the jet ski on the trailer.
I've had people tell me that they don't need this, that I don't need to spend this kind of money, and I told them I didn't buy this for me. I bought this for my wife and daughters.
Right. And you know, a lot of women out there are able to do that without any problems, but those who find challenging, this is a perfect invention.
I don't like side guides. I don't like floats. I don't need them because I'm a seasoned veteran. I will never go without them.
Right. Why do so? All right, guys, make sure you check them out. EasyGuideFloats.com. That's where you want to go. Find out more information about this product. It'll work for you. It'll work for your family. You're going to have a lot of fun with it, guys. Thanks again, Cliff. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Be well. We'll see you guys out in the water.